What's up, guys? Teardown part 3. Finally got it out. Excuse the mess. Working in tight space. Not the best, but got it done. Got the motor out. Now it's down to nitpicking and making a list. Everything I want to do while the engine is out. Replacing stuff that needs to be replaced and prepping this thing over here and giving whatever it needs. That shit I don't like. And we'll drop it in, but gotta swap the pan and all kinds of other stuff. The clutch, flywheel, all of that. So I got a lot of stuff to do as far as swapping over, but I guess the hardest part is out the way. I know how it comes out, so we'll slap it back in. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update, how everything's going. We're definitely ahead of schedule. At this pace, if I can keep it up and don't have to really wait on parts, I should be able to make LS Fest with ease at this pace, so we'll see.